Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Welcome to World of Apps. For this video I've prepared a different video about Tinder. I'm sure that many of you didn't yet find a match, so I want to help you find one by Tinder. Can you trust or not Tinder, or can you really find a match with the help of Tinder? This is the question. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on that notification bell because I post every day. So let's get started. I think you know that Tinder is an US-based geosocial dating app used for easy hookup or a long-term relationship. This app even allows LGBTQ community. Tinder was launched on September 12, 2012. This was owned by Match Group and headquarters is located at West Hollywood, LA, California, USA. When you go to their website right here, they will not share how to or any other information. This will show as a page with slogan, start something epic. Users can join Tinder via email, Facebook, or phone number, or they can download the app in the mobile. This works both web and mobile on Android, BlackBerry, or in the iOS platforms. Users can also add other social apps like Snapchat, Spotify, and Instagram with their Tinder account. So this is a really good thing for a real relationship, for a long-term relationship. There is no way to change your profile name and age, so serious users have to be careful while making the profile because, like I said, you will not be able to change your profile name and age. Tinder, although have paid subscription for features like Gold and Plus, however, it allows people to connect with each other if both parties are interested in one another. Those people who do not have courage to ask for a date, they can try this app, and users can just swipe images and check it's a match for the profile they are interested. So you just have to do like this. This app, although asks both email and phone number to verify an account, however, there is nothing that can check any profile's authentications. This makes Tinder a safe place for fake profiles and even bots. So a serious user must have to be extra careful. Keep that in mind. Tinder Premium. Tinder Premium is just is a cheap is the Tinder Premium is cheap for under 30, so this makes another possibility of 30 plus users having fake age information to use the premium features. Another thing is, although people around the world use this app, however, majority of members are from the United States. It could be hard to find hard to find local dating for international members. A solution for Match is that Tinder is available in 50 international languages like Hindi, Romanian, Japanese, Malay, and so on. This language feature helps people to attempt to find their local match. Tinder is also a platform of male users. Less than 40% are women, And due to fake profile possibility, there is a chance that there would be a male behind a female's account. Although Tinder tried many times to make it attract for women, like investment in women's network Vina in 2016, but this platform remained male dominated. This is, however, good for women as they will have a wide choice to find their match. Overall, Tinder is a good app to find a date or make friendship with like-minded local, international people. So those who are new to dating, they will find this app easy to use, and experienced users will make their way to use the most of it. So now let's dive into their website. So like I said, you have some services right here. We have premium features, so let's click on that. When you're ready to get the most out of Tinder, tap into our premium features to upgrade your likes and elevate your experience. So if you want to join the premium features, the premium service, you can click right here on join now. Here are some pictures. You can stand out with a super like. You can increase your chances of matching by 3 and have combos that last 70% longer. All members get one free super like a month. That's really cool. More views with just a tap of a button. You can maximize your time and match potential. Click here to get started. Also subscription tiers. As you can see, Tinder simple Tinder has just one dot, Tinder Plus, Tinder Gold. So with Tinder Gold, you have match, cheat, and chat and meet, unlimited likes, unlimited rewinds, password to any location, hide advertisements, 5 super likes a week, 1 free boost a month, and you can also see who likes you, and new topics every day. And if you go with Tinder Platinum, you will have all of those that I read to Tinder Gold plus message before matching. So this is a really cool feature. Also, you have prioritized likes, and you can also see the likes you sent in the last 7 days. So these are some cool things about Tinder. If you want to learn more, you can click here. Why you can choose a dating app like Tinder, and you can also go here and choose the language that you want. There are many options like Spanish, German, Bosnian, Arabic, Finnish, a lot of languages, French, Estonian, Bulgarian even, and Czech. So these are a few of the languages they have. If you scroll down, you will see many more, much more languages you can choose from. So this is it, guys. I hope this video was helpful for you. I hope you will find a match, and I hope it will be real in the long-term relationship. If you like this video, you can subscribe to our channel, turn on that notification day because I post daily. You can comment in the comment section down below if you found a match. And yeah, Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.